Hey friends, so today we are continuing practicing how to see shapes into halves and quarters. And so I thought I'd start off with, I know last time we really focused on halves, right? So today I have these twist pull and peels, okay? Those are like my dad's favorite candy. So I pulled one off, okay? And if I wanted to only eat one half of this, do I eat the whole thing? No, I just want one half. So if I wanted one half and then my dad wanted the other half, what would I have to do? I'd have to break it in half so there's two equal pieces. So I can maybe bend it, okay, in half, so that I know exactly where to tear right in the middle. And when I tear in the middle, then I have two equal pieces, okay? Two equal pieces. This is one half of the piece. So what I did was we had this long string, unless it can almost be like a little rectangle. And what I did was I cut it in half. So that's one half, and then this is the other half. If the direction said to color one half, I would only color this half, because it only is asking for one half, okay? So I'm gonna give you some shapes, and then I want you to pause the video, and then you are going to color in just one half of the shape. Okay, here we go. Ready? All right. How would I color this shape in? Just one half of the shape. Would I color the whole thing? No, right? If I only want to color one half, I'm only going to color one half. One half of the circle. Okay? Now this is the one I want you to do. You're going to get your pretend marker out, and you are going to color in the half in this video, okay? Here we go. Color one half, go. What are you gonna do? Color one half. Okay, you should have colored with your imaginary marker, and it could have been this side or it could have been the other side. Okay, that's one half of the shape. One half, one half. Okay, get ready, get your imaginary marker ready. Here's another one. Did Miss White split that into equal parts? When I did one half, are these two parts equal? No, this one is this part is way bigger than that part, which means you can't, that's not cut in half. No, that doesn't work. Okay. What about this one? Ooh, this might be a little bit trickier. I have a rectangle. I split it right there. Color one half. Go. Imaginary marker. Imaginary marker. How are you coloring it? Color all the way, all the way. Good. So you should have either colored just this part, or you could have colored the other part, right? This part. Colored one half of the shape. Okay? Good. So moving forward, we are actually going to, so that's one half. All right, so now we're gonna focus on quarters, okay? And that's splitting something into four parts. Everyone say four. Four parts is quarters. So we're going to kind of move on from halves. I think you guys got that one. So quarters also is the same thing as saying fourths. Oops. Same thing. Okay, so fourths, it's kind of nice because it has the word four, like fourths, so 4 pieces. So just like the halves, which were 2, now we're gonna have 4 pieces, okay? So if I have a square, and if I make 4 pieces that are all the same, we have cut this square into fourths, okay? There are 4 parts, okay? And so if someone said to color, if the directions say to color 1/4 of this shape, you would only color 1/4. You would only color 1 square. 1 out of the 4 squares you would color. Okay, same thing if I had my pizza and I cut it into fourths. Well, if there were 4 people, okay, Miss White included, if it was me, my brother, my grandma, my dad, okay, that's 4 friends, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess what? Each of us gets a 4th. I don't get all these slices of pizza. I only get 1/4 of the pizza because the other pieces go to my family members. Okay, so I only get 1/4. Okay. All right. Last thing we'll try, it has to be equal parts. Okay? If you have something that looks like this, are those equal parts? No, they're not. It has to be equal. So if you have something right like this, okay, and I know mine aren't perfect, but those are equal parts. So if I wanted to color in 1/4, that is 1 out of the 4 parts, okay? So you have halves and quarters. Halves are 2 pieces, quarters are 4, okay? 1/4. All right. Okay, friends, we will be back telling some more, kind of going through some more of the partitions. And this is still partitioning shapes, right? So we learned that word partitioning. We're partitioning the shape into quarters, or that we're partitioning the shape into halves. All right. All righty. Well, we'll see you next time.